Hello. So today we are going to learn a Batman. I found something similar like online and I really like it. So let's draw this Batman. For the guideline I will start from 0 to 10 inches. So this is going to be the whole length and this is going to be the middle line for guideline. For the head part I measure it almost like 4.5 inches. So I will go from here from 0 to 4.5, this much. I guess the whole head. Then I'm going to draw from here 9 centimeter. A little bit here and there, that's fine. So this much big the ear will be, and this is the head part. Now I am going to divide this one in 4 parts. This is 4.5 over here. So I will count like this: 1 centimeter from here and 1 centimeter from here, 1 centimeter from here, 1 centimeter. So it's almost this much. And you can just go and just look at over here and just do it this way. For the bottom I am going to take 6 centimeters. So 3 this side and 3 this side. So 6 over here, 3, 3. And I will draw a rectangle. I will connect all of them. For the chin I am going to take 1.5. So almost this much. This is going to be the mouth over here. So if you measure the mouth, it's almost like 2 centimeter. So 1 is over here and 1 is this side. So 1, 1. And I will pull a little bit up over here, and this is going to be the mouth. From here I will connect over here softly because we are going to curve a little bit later. These are just guidelines. So this is mouth, and little bit up from here we have to draw the nose part. So from here I'm going to touch this corner, and from here I'm going to touch this corner. This is a jawline and this is going to be the mask line, right? So we have to make sure this is going a little bit out. So we have to draw a little bit down and out, just a little bit. You can say 0.5 centimeter. Like that, because this is going to be jawline for us. This one also goes out little bit. If I will measure almost like a 0.5, this one is also same 0.5, and you have to pull this one in just like a triangle shape. When you pull in, go back and touch the same line over here. And from here to here we have to connect. Just a rough idea. Now I'm going to erase this line. Now I will use freehand. Still I can see my lines, but a little bit soft and curvy. Nose line on the top over here, we have to make it parallel to this one. Again, if I will measure this one, it's almost like almost not 0.5, not 1, between that, here and over here, very tiny, and then kind of like a B shape. From here, if I will pull this one, this is going to be the eye. Here I will draw one more triangle. Same thing, you can just check this one and draw another eye this side. This is going to be the top part for the head. So if I will measure this one, how much I took, it's almost like a 4 centimeter to this side and to this side. And then I have to create ears over here. You can see this notch next to this one from here, next to this one over here, almost like 1 centimeter. We have to go and touch over here. We have to come and touch over here. Just rough idea. If you want little bit bigger ones, yes, this is 10 one, so you can go and you can touch this line all over here this way. So we are done with this head part. Now we have to start drawing the chest part. This is the middle point. I'm going to use a little bit this side. From here I will start the cape, just roughly going like this stroke, just like kind of a shape, and this one is also going this way. But when I'm reaching over here, I'm making one shiny stroke over here, so I will draw 2 of them and then erase this middle line. And this one is the shoulder, it's showing the shoulder part, so make sure it's not really straight, it's curvy. And from here again, this side, same thing, the way we did here, same thing we will draw, just rough, and later on we will fix it. So we are done over here. Now we have to draw his hand. So for hand, what you have to do, make sure you can just draw a box, maybe 4 by 4, 4, 4, and maybe, because shape is kind of like this shape. So you can say 4, 4 and 5, something like that, centimeters. Now for the thumb, what we have to do, this is going to be thumb over here. So this way and kind of straight over here. This is thumb. From thumb, this is the finger. So we have to make this joint over here. This was our line. So over here you have to pull this one up and then make a finger this way, kind of like straight over here, not pulling down really. And make sure you have to draw the other finger over here, so you have to make sure you have the right space here. It's going really high, so make sure it's not really high. This is thumb. This is thumb over here, and this one, this finger. From here we have to draw G shape. 1, 2, 3, like that, and double it. Same thing, you have to double over here too. Same thing over here, you have to make it double. From here, this thumb part, we have to draw this middle finger. So one by one we have to draw all of them, and again double it. Then this finger, the ring finger, and then the pinky one. Just a little bit double, and then erase this guideline from here. And if you feel like it's very straight, you can tilt a little bit this way. Now from here, when you are coming, this is straight because we did kind of like a square or rectangle shape, whatever shape you want to say. You have to curve just slightly this way, and then we have to make one shiny part to divide, to show this is a wrist area, and from here we have to go and make it as shape again. These parts you have to adjust a lot. So by looking, you should have to know that this is big or small, or I have to make it a little bit more wide. So it's like this way, right? So little bit more this side. So I will get more space for this finger. This one, right? So this is the one which is going this way. So this was our guideline. It's crossing over here. So this finger is going this way when we fold, right? And then we have to come with this finger. Okay, double line. Because when we are going to color black, we need white space. So just a little bit idea where you should not have to color. Yeah, you can check, and whatever the way you like it, you can draw the bat over here. I like this one, so I'm drawing this one, but yeah, there's another one. So you have to just draw V shape over here, one triangle over here, and straight ears, okay, this way, and 3 of them like that. So this is the symbol. Now from here, this is the hand. I have to draw a curve over here, and this curve, let me move my paper a little bit up. And for this is the, he wear the gloves, right? So this one, and so if I have to move a little bit up this one to make sure this is shorter than this. So this is, I'm just looking not really same size, this is shorter than this one. So I curve over here, and when I'm curving this one, I will go and try to touch this, but now then I will go over here and make it this one and erase the line what I did at starting. I will erase all my guidelines. Always have to make sure your guidelines are very light so you can erase nicely. Now from here, I know this is the bottom of my paper and this was the 10, right? We at the starting we started measuring. It was 10 all the way over here. So I know this part. I'm going to draw a curvy line over here. And this is my guideline. So I'm going to draw 1 and then 2 and then very skinny 3, or you can just leave this part and start from here, almost over here, or you can just do it a little bit over here, that's also fine, and curve it. And take the eraser, erase the way you want. I want a little bit broad shoulder. I will go this way. From here I will go one straight, and this is the hand, and then a little bit like that. This is the part. Fix it this one now, because I picked this one. If I picked this one it was fine, but I picked this one, so that is okay. Now I have to draw again all these. So hand, one V, then second small V, and then we have to just color it, or boundary will come over here, so we are fine. This part is still, I'm not very happy, so I'm going to fix again. Now it's looking better to me. So not really C style, I did S style. From here, one pocket we cannot see properly, so one. The second one is the widest one in the middle, second one. The third one is a little bit skinnier than this one, and fourth is very skinny. This is kind of like 3/4 view, so make sure this is more, this is almost over here, and this one I didn't see anything, and this one is also not over here. This is going to be over here, we cannot see the notch. Now over here, this is the pocket. From here I have to draw one curve, not really high, but yes, curve, and then coming back this way as a style. This is area that's going to be black, and very close to this one, or you can start from here and just go and touch this one. Now I have to curve this. Few lines we have to draw for the face, like over here. When I'm going to color, I have to know where do I have to color. So this is the mouth. At the corner of the mouth I started, I went here a little bit this way, very close to my guideline, and this is the corner, so I'm going to attach over here, or you can say exactly on my guideline. And it has to be very light. The second one I will start from this corner, and this is the chin line, so this V shape and then straight. So now I'm going to adjust some more things. The chin part was here. I want to pull it a little bit down and make the jawline not exactly on the same position on the mouth. I want a little bit down. I will pull this one. This is the mouth line, and I want the jawline has to be a little bit down. So now I'm going to adjust some parts. This one, the key part. I also added one more here. Thumb is going to be here. Same thing. Now I'm adjusting the cape part over here, or shoulder you can say. It was down over here like that, and I want his head to be a little bit forward, so I'm moving this shoulder part over here a little bit from both sides to see how does it look. Then we will have feeling that he is bending. If you want to move this over here, go ahead and do it. I'm making lighter shade over here, so some means this type of shape you can draw to make it lighter shade over here. So these things are a little bit detail work. If you want to, you can do it. Now I'm going to outline everything with my Sharpie or marker. Did not do this one and this one because I know I'm going to color this one. Over here, not from the top, a little bit down, we have to connect all of them. Anything you feel like you didn't do sharp, that's okay. When you are going to color, you can color that time. Now I'm going to use Sharpie, and slowly by slowly I will color everything. So I colored gray over here, it's not showing really well. So make sure you can color gray first. So almost I colored this part. Now I'm going to color over here. So I'm done with this part too. In the real picture, I didn't color these ones black. I can show you over here. But if you also color this one, that's okay. I'm going to draw one more line next to this one, and then I will color this part black. This bat has to be black over here. So we are going to color this one, and the hand, and this line over here going to be a little bit thicker. And then thinner at the top. So let's start coloring this part. So I color this hand. Now I'm going to do this part. not eyes, but these parts you can do gray color. So you can use the marker. When I'm using my marker, it's very hard to see, so you can use light shade, not the eye, sorry, light, very light shade marker. And this is the mouth, straight line. I'm little bit curving. The peach color I will use first from here. This is also going to be peach color. I'm going to use tan color. Color this part dark brown. So I adjusted over here these lines, so you can see. And this one was very narrow, so I made it a little bit wide over here. So now they are almost same. If you want a little bit more detail, you can do a little bit thicker on the top. And pull this one a little bit more down. Then this line is almost straight for us. And make it a little lighter gray shade.